I'd like to go over a couple of the reasons that after our sharpening of your fine cutlery, that the knives actually perform at a higher level. Manufacturers give you a very safe edge so that you don't have, so that the average person that may be a little rough on their knives could chip or bend the edge. We take the knife to its highest limits, like a Japanese edge on German knives and a fine Japanese edge on all Japanese knives, including serrated knives, ceramic knives. And there's more to sharpening than just the edge. You have to thin the blade to make it perform at a high level. Plus the geometry, the curve and bow is really important. We take all those things into consideration every time we sharpen your knives.